In this video, we will show you how to exchange the cover of the chip container of your E3. Have the following items ready: a spare cover for the chip container and the provided TX20 angle screwdriver. Open the working chamber door. Pull the chip container out of the machine. If necessary, dispose of machining residues as described in the chapter on disposal in the operating instructions. In the chip container, unscrew the 4 screws that secure the chip container cover and remove the cover. Take the spare cover and use the 4 screws to firmly screw it onto the chip container. While doing so, press the cover downward. Completely push the chip container back into the machine. Close the working chamber door. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E3. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.